calling for help.
Welcome to Tropical Boots. We're going to be learning the dance Calling for Rain. This is a line dance choreographed by Margaret Parrish and Travis Taylor right here in Australia. It is a 48 count, 2-wall, intermediate level waltz. Let's get into it. Facing your front wall, your weight is going to be on your right. You're going to be starting with a left basic forward and a back lock with the right. They are your first 6 counts. Moving forward with that left, you're going to go a basic forward, so left, right, left. You're going to lock back with that right, so you're going to go back, lock, back. From here, you're going to be stepping back into a quarter turn to your left, so with your left foot stepping back, and then drag the right to meet it for 2 counts. Then you're going to be completing a 1 1/4 turn to end up facing the front. So what that looks like is taking a nice big step to your left, turning left, dragging the right up to meet it for 2 counts, and then we're going to be turning to face our 12 o'clock wall. So we're going to be moving right, left, right to face the front. So we're going to turn a quarter with the right, another half turn with the left, and another half turn with the right. Our next 6 counts from here, we'll be taking a slow half pivot on the left and then a slow quarter paddle on the left as well. So step that left foot forward and then pivot a half turn over your right shoulder for 2 counts. Step that left foot forward again and paddle a quarter turn over your right shoulder for 2 counts. Your next 6 counts from here is you're going to be completing a twinkle with the left and a weave across starting with the right. So a twinkle with the left is going across to the left, right to the side, recover the weight onto the left. Moving with that weave, we go across with the right, step the left to the side and step the right behind. And next part of our dance, we're turning a further quarter turn. We're going to be facing our rear wall or 6 o'clock. We're going to be moving in a quarter turn sort of twinkle, and then we're going to be moving into a half turn after that to bring us back to the front. So that is our next 6 counts. What that looks like is you're going to be stepping forward or stepping left, turning quarter turn to the left, so facing our back wall, 6 o'clock. You're going to be stepping that left forward. You're going to be stepping that right to the right side, and you're going to recover the weight onto the left. From here to turn your half turn, you're going to step your right over your left. You're going to be stepping back into your left, turning a quarter turn onto your right, so stepping back. You're going to be stepping the right to the right side, turning that further quarter turn to your right. Next 6 counts from here is another twinkle with the left and then another weave with the right. So you're going to be going across with the left, side with the right, recover the weight with the left. Then moving across with that right, stepping that left to the side and stepping the right behind. The next 6 counts, we're going to be doing a drag to the left and a drag to the right. So you're going to be stepping the left to the side, drag the right up for 2 counts, step the right to the right side, drag the left up to meet it for 2 counts. Our next 6 counts from here, we're going to be stepping forward on the left, turning a half turn over 2 counts, and then taking a half pivot step forward or a chase step to end up facing our new wall, which will be our rear wall. What that all looks like, you're going to take a step forward with the left. Now turning over your left shoulder, you're going to be stepping back with your right, continuing that turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with the left, then take a step forward with the right, turn a half pivot over your left shoulder, stepping forward with the right, end of dance, ready to start again. That will bring you to your back wall where you can go through and continue with that. There is one restart on wall 4. Again, that will be facing your back wall when you go to do it. And that will take you up to the half turn. So you've just done your quarter turn and then half turn, and then you need to do a step change in order to restart the dance, which is basically adding in a twinkle instead of a weave. Let's go through that section just so you understand exactly what you're looking at when you're trying to learn this dance. So wall 4 will be facing your rear wall or your 6 o'clock wall. Weight is on our right. We'll be doing our basic waltz forward with our left. 4, 5, 6. So waltz, 2, 3, and then back, lock, back, quarter, drag to the back wall, quarter, half, half, slow, half, pivot, slow, quarter, paddle, twinkle, 2, 3, with a weave, 2, 3, and quarter, side, recover, cross, quarter, quarter, twinkle, 2, 3, hold it. From here, you would normally do a weave. In order to get into your restart, instead of doing a weave, you're going to do another twinkle. So you're going to go across, side, recover. You're ready to restart the dance again, moving forward with that basic left waltz forward. Hope you enjoy this dance. Go and check out Travis's demo on YouTube and get to enjoy this beautiful song. See you in the next one.